All right, so of course, here's the fine art, and here's what happens when you walk in. You walk in and it says, oh, this guy's gonna do something to me, and it opens right up. And if I wanna take a leak, just kick it, bada bing, bada boom. So super nice, kick it again, goes down. Can't complain about that. And I could also physically just take this and push it down, and it'll be fine. And then over here is our little screen, like I was talking about before. It's got some buttons on there. It's doing the flush. Nice little animation there. And yep, it's doing its thing. Very nice. We love a double flush. But yeah, you can see right here, the motion sensor went off, but 102 degrees on the seat right now, which of course can be controlled by the controller here on the wall. All right, so this is the remote that I was talking about. We have the massage, the night light. So for instance, I can press that, boom. You got the nozzle clean. And then this is where all the magic happens. We got the flush, which I can press right now, but I'm not going to. Feminine wash, posterior wash, and the dryer. And then here we have water temp, air temp, and the seat temp. And then of course we have the nozzle position and water pressure. So this of course is just adhesive. It's a remote, very nice to have. But yeah, super nice, simple experience. Lights off, never have to worry about missing, even though we somehow always miss. I'm all right, guys. But yeah, that's it. The HOROW T38 toilet, $1,100. Gotta say, I'm actually a big fan.